3 with a dancing star with Raiden, William, and Teeter. Sorry I didn't say William on the other episodes, but here he is. Dance, baby! A little camera shy. I said dance. I said dance.
No.
You're a big baby meanie. Let's have a little talk with Malachi. No. Dance.
Say it Orlando style.
Look at his butt.
Say hi. Hi.
Say hi. To two brothers on a mission to save the world's art. They finally got through the big globs of glob. And then, finally, they reached this place. The living room of a human! And that's the episode of A Dancing Star. Today.
Now